The Ukrainian army is still holding Vovchansk in the Kharkiv region, despite Russian attempts to make a breakthrough in this direction. The 82nd Air Assault Brigade on the Stryker armored fighting vehicles destroys Russian assault troops trying to advance into Vovchansk. But Ukrainian units are striking back in Russian Belgorod region. The 1st Assault Battalion of the 92nd Assault Brigade is working. The car we were driving in was blown up by the motherfuckers. That's it. Our car is gone. There was a new car. We are all walking now. We are running away. The Russian occupiers complain. Well, boo-hoo-hoo.
Съебываемся. Пидорас. Сигналит, касается нам вслед.
Ukrainian Sea Baby surface drones are working in the Black Sea. Here, the drone launches a volley of missiles towards Russian positions. A destroyed Russian 2S-4 Tulpan 240 mm self-propelled heavy mortar in the Kharkiv direction by units of the 3rd Separate Assault Brigade. It's beginning to feel like January and February of 2022 all over again, with a Russian military train recently spotted near the city of Yefremov in the Tula region, heading southeast towards the border with the Sumy region of northeastern Ukraine. The military equipment seen on the train, which includes bridging equipment as well as transport and logistics equipment, all have the new tactical marking seen recently during Russian offensive operations in the Kharkiv region, indicating that this operation alongside the upcoming offensive against the Sumy region are likely a larger-scale plan by Russia for further operations in the north and northeastern of Ukraine. If you want to see how the fighting in Krinky in the Kherson region looks like, this is the best video to feel it.
Дружней! Бажаю здоров'я. Таку поставлю, щоб не проїбати. Привіт. Я собі познімаю трохи на пам'ять, якщо ви не проти.
Video for all the useful idiots who claim civil war in Ukraine in 2014. The video shows Russian military equipment, including tanks, entering the city of Lugansk in 2014. Russia's military intervention in Ukraine began in 2014. The Russians hit the Shevchenkivsky district of Kharkiv with a guided aerial bomb. By now, the number of victims has increased to 10 people. One of the victims is in serious condition.
Дом, в котором я живу, вагон. Это мой, 45-35, побитый. А это 30-25.
Харків, 22 травня. Завдали удару по спальному району Харкова. Було пряме влучання в легковий автомобіль. Багатоповерхівки залишилися без вікон. Інформація про постраждалих ще уточнюється.
Ебали. Ни окон нет, ничего, блядь, там машина горит, там машина, даже с машиной вообще произошло, блядь. Там машина горит, стоит. Пиздец. Поехала обратно в больницу.
In Vovchansk, the Russian Federation fired at a police car during evacuation. One policeman was killed, another was wounded, said Ihor Klimenko, the Minister of Internal Affairs of Ukraine.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.